Hi class! Today we're going to continue our lesson on decimal points, but before I got started I thought it would be good for us to have a brain break as sort of a refresher because I know we've been challenging our brains and working hard the past few days. So let's get started. So I need you guys to just sit down at your desk or wherever you are and just focus on this for a little bit. It'll be nice and refreshing for us to get started before we begin our lesson again. I'll read it to you guys too. Brain break. Close your eyes and imagine this. You're lying in a peaceful open field. Exhale. Picture yourself doing something you would enjoy. Slowly inhale and exhale a couple more times. Open your eyes. How do you feel? So this should have helped you feel a little bit less stressed about all the stuff that we're doing. It should have helped you just a little bit just to let free of everything and all your stresses. But now we're gonna get back to work. So for this, I just have a small little assessment over decimal points that I want you guys to do. It will be in your email, so make sure you guys check that because I shared it with you, and it's just like 7 questions just to see how you guys are doing. This will not be for a grade, but however, I just want to see where you guys are at. So if you guys want to go to that right now, you'll see something that looks like this. I need you guys to fill it out completely. It's just like the other one. It's just like the one we did the other day about like the beginning of school one where you had to fill out what your favorite hobbies were and stuff like that. So you guys should know how to do all this stuff, but I'll read through a few of the questions for you. What is 3.33 rounded to the nearest hundredth? As we've been talking about lately, we've been learning how to do rounding to the nearest tenth and hundredth. So you guys should know how to do most of this stuff, but once you're done, don't forget to hit submit at the bottom. It will be right down here. So make sure that you hit submit so I get to see your answers. And again, this is not for a grade. It will just be solely just so I know where you guys are at and what I need to teach more of. So I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Don't forget to fill this out. And I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow in class.